I'm briefly going to show you how to add a feature and result to the website. If you go to the front of the website and scroll down below the news, you'll see the options for where the next match is and the upcoming fixtures, as well as the team standings for the National League. This is only following Baseball New South Wales, so it's only going to follow their state team, which is Sydney Blue Sox. To add this, first of all, you'll go to the Events, Fixtures and Results, and you'll see all the results and fixtures or the fixtures at least at this point for this month. You can add in the entire season here, you can add in next month, you can add in whatever you want. This is just a sample. So we can go in and have a look at it, and what you're getting is some basic information about the match. You'll see when it is, how many days away it is, a bit more information here, and it's at this particular venue. So how do you add this on? Okay, we go to the dashboard. When it actually decides to show you it, you go to the events under Sports Press. As you can see, this will show all those ones you've just seen are all here. Again, you can edit that, you can trash it, you can clone it, whatever you want. But let's just do a new one. So we're going to add a new event. And we're going to make up one for Series 8, which I don't think exists. Next thing is you've got to put in Australian National Baseball League. Into the excerpt, you've got to put something in here, so I'll usually put that in there. And the next thing is we'll start from the top. First of all, we've got to put in the date and the time. So we're going to make this on the 29th of January. It's a 24-hour clock. We'll make it 6 o'clock at night, or 7 o'clock at night, which makes it 1900. And now we pick the competition, which is the Australian Baseball League, the season, which is 2016, and the venue, because it's in Sydney, it's going to be at the Bankstown International Sports Park. We then choose the particular teams. One's going to be obviously Sydney Blue Sox, and the other is Melbourne Aces, which is here. Lastly, we need to add a set featured image. So we'll click here, go to the images. I use one picture for everything. So I use this as called Baseball Stadium, and I use this as the background for all the same pictures. You can add whatever you want, but it's just easy with that particular one. So I'll set the featured image, and there you go. Now what happens when you publish it, which you'll see, you can actually end up getting all the results and scorecards, which will come up here. So we'll publish it. And if you want to spend the time doing it, you can add every single bit of information about all the results and the particular scorecards for every single player. So what we're going to do is preview it, which you can see here. And that's what it looks like. Pretty easy, not too tough to do. As you can see, we'll go back to fixtures and results. At the bottom of it, you'll see 29th of January, Sydney Blue Sox, Melbourne Aces, already added to the page. It's that easy.